I will present Ms. Tatiana Sokolov, the founder and CEO of EgyptAir in Russia. And as the chairperson, Ms. Layla Al-Jasmi and Dr. Asad Riyad.
Good afternoon, dear colleagues. And today I speak about situation in Russian medical tourism market and in CIS. Our company work in medical tourism around the world, but we haven't partner in Egypt. I hope that after this event we start collaborate with EgyptAir and how work with Russian and CS patients I speak now. And first of all, look number of Russian patients traveling to treat abroad before pandemic time. We can see that in 2015 only 100,000 Russian patients go to treat abroad. In 2016, 80,000. In 2017, 70,000. In 2018, 60,000. The drop of flow was due with crisis in Russia, and many officials were barred traveling abroad. But the medicine in Russia developed, and for Russian citizens, many high-tech treatment available is absolutely free of charge. Main countries pre-pandemic of treatment for Russian patients. We can see most of all Russian patients prefer go to Israel, 30%. But after go to Germany, 25%, to South Korea, 15%, Turkey and India, 12%, and Switzerland only 5%, to United States of America only 1%. In 2018, our President Vladimir Vladimirovich Putin issued a decree about increase the volume of export medical services by at least 4 times compared to 2070. Up to $1 billion per year. And in this moment, start developed medical tourism for foreign patients in Russia. Only our company in pandemic time organized treatment for more 5,500 foreign patients in Russia. What type of our clients? We work with 3 types of clients: VIP clients, middle class, and clients with low budget. VIP clients before pandemic prefer to go to treat to Switzerland and United States of America. Middle class to Germany, Israel, South Korea, Turkey, Spain, Italy. Client with low budget to China, India, and Baltic countries. But now in this slide we can change. After pandemic time, during special war operation, now VIP clients prefer to go to treat to Singapore, United Arab Emirates, South Korea, middle class to Turkey, Thailand, South Korea, China, clients with low budget to China, India, Iran. Preferences of patients from CIS. Patients from Kazakhstan prefer to treat in China, South Korea, Russia, and Turkey. Patients from Uzbekistan in India, Iran, Turkey, and Russia. Patients from Azerbaijan in Turkey and Iran. Patients from Belarus prefer to treat in Russia, Iran, Turkey. Patients from Kyrgyzstan treat to South Korea, India, Turkey, Russia. And patients from Tajikistan prefer to treat in India, Turkey, and Iran. Let's see most popular medical requests from Russia to abroad. Unfortunately, most of all we receive oncology requests. Also cardiology, cardiosurgery, orthopedic and traumatology requests. Also among Russian and CIS patients, very popular medical request, treatment of diabetes type 2 by bariatric or metabolic surgery in Turkey. We have many medical requests every day for this treatment. Also, among Russian and CIS patients popular, we know that optic nerve atrophy can treat around the world, but we collaborate with one professor from Turkey, from leading Turkish hospital in Istanbul, who treats this problem, therapy by stem cells. Many requests for this treatment. Also, we collaborate with Iran in pandemic start collaborate, and very popular request IVF with gender selection, because only in Iran this is allowed as legally level. Russian and CIS patients often go to organ transplantation to Iran, Turkey, India, because very good prices, very good quality. Again, Iran, rhinoplastic in Iran, the first place in around world. Very good, perfect, and cheap. And we have many requests, medical requests for rhinoplastic to Iran. Plastic surgery in South Korea top around the world, and many Russians and CIS patients go to plastic surgery to South Korea, but price is not cheap, middle price. Very famous brand transplantation here in Turkey, cheap and good quality. Many requests. So, also, we sent many patients for therapy stem cells to Thailand, Vietnam, Singapore, Malaysia. The very good result after treatment. Treat autism, treat multiple sclerosis, Parkinson, orthopedic problems, after stroke, and many another diseases. Very popular also in Turkey, radionuclide therapy, lutetium 177 and actinium. For patients with prostate cancer. A good price. In Europe we have same treatment, but more expensive. Very popular dendritic cell therapy in Belarus. The immunotherapy of cancer, very effective, and I have many patients who help this therapy, and now they absolutely healthy, in remission many years. And in Belarus we collaborate with Institute of Cell Therapy and send Russians and CIS patients there. most popular medical request from abroad to Russia. In Russia, very strong ophthalmology treatment. Thanks our famous ophthalmologist Svetoslav Fedorov. And very good IVF, plastic surgery, dentistry, a good price and a good quality. IVF in Russia very good thanks our flexible legislation, and we have not age limit for women. We have bank of donor eggs, and we have bank of donor sperm, and many foreign patients go now to IVF to Russia. Some statistic from 2019 till 2022, 12 million of foreign patients came to Russia for treatment purposes. The country's profits is $762 million. Let's see preferences of patients from Russia and CIS countries when choosing a country of treatment. Now, first of all, safety of stay in the country. If early Russian patients go to Israel, now in Israel war, and the patients afraid go to Israel. Excellent healthcare system. If a country has excellent healthcare system, patients go to this country. Convenient transport accessibility. For example, before pandemic, Russians go to Europe. We have many direct flights. Now, political situation and our patients prefer to treat in Turkey because we have a direct flight to China, to countries where we have a direct flight. For variable climate, it's very important too. A cultural and historical attraction that patients often want not only treat, want to look something new, interesting, cultural and historical attractions. And of course, good shopping. What Russian and CIS patients expect from foreign hospital? No, again, first of all, safety in the country of treatment. A perfect service in everything, not only in the treatment. A qualified treatment, personalized insurance program for adults and children, well-known doctors in foreign hospitals, and in this slide we can see key points of medical tourism development. The first, competitive price of services, high level of health care. The second, ability to serve the customers in a convenient language. Third, active participation of the government in the development of the segment. It's very important. Provision of benefits to the private sector. Internal quality control of health care. And I want to give my recommendations for hospitals on developing of the flow of Russian patients. More reliable information in the media and internet about the positive experience of providing medical care to adults, to children. For example, about EgyptAir, we don't know in Russia anything. No. More information. Work with foundations and charities on serious disease among children. Third, exchange of volunteers from students from medical universities and medical school, as well as doctors of various specialties in various fields. Holding joint conferences in different countries and in Russia too, for the exchange of experience and the use of new technologies, new method, new treatment, diagnostic of various diseases. Interaction with insurance companies. Our company collaborates, for example, with one Turkish insurance company. And this insurance company has a very interesting product. This product covers treatment for the clients in VIP Moscow hospitals or in leading hospital in Istanbul on the choice of clients. It's very no expensive, but very good product. Participation in the biggest Russian medical tourism event, Federal Exhibition Medtravel Expo in Moscow. Every year in December in Moscow we have government medical tourism exhibition, and our company is official partner this exhibition from this opening this exhibition before 6 years ago. And our company organized international workshop between exponents and international buyers. And the statement in this exhibition, participation in this exhibition, it's very good statement about yourself on the medical tourism Russian market. Organizations of farm trips for Russian agency doctors to familiarize with hospitals' possibilities. Our company often organizes such farm trips to different countries. In this slide, you can see a photo from exhibition Medtravel Expo and from our workshop too. And in this slide, our farm trips, first to Turkey, second to India, to Dehradun hospital, and to Iran and to China, island Hainan. Thank you for attention. If you have questions, please